Hello and welcome to the Business Exposures online website training. Today we're going to talk about how to manage the calendars that we provide to our churches. We're going to use a Grace Lutheran website as our example website today. First, let's take a quick look at the calendar. And keep in mind that the reason why we created this module for the front end editing is most churches have multiple calendars. This church happens to only have 3. But for example, a lot of churches, each ministry has their own calendar. For example, the music ministry might have their own calendar, the prayer chain, or the women's guild, or the nursery might even have a calendar. So it's very cumbersome for a website administrator to have to manage all these calendars. So what they're doing now is they're actually assigning individuals the responsibility to manage their own calendars. For example, the music ministry might have a individual that is responsible for managing and maintaining this calendar. Same with the youth ministry. So how do we do that? So the first thing we're going to do, let's go back to the home page. And most of the churches that we build websites for, somewhere on the bottom of the page is going to be a link that says login. So go ahead and log in, and we're going to assume that I am a person that has been assigned the responsibility of managing a calendar. So I'm going to go ahead and log in with the username and password that I was assigned. And we go ahead and log in. Okay, notice when we log in, we have an administration menu. The first link we have is website training. What this link is, it shows all the training videos that we do. So if you train, if you assign a person a task to manage a section of the website, more than likely we have a video on how that's done. So you can have that person review the training video before they actually go in and make changes. Okay, so here's our Manage Edit Calendar front end. So we go ahead and click on that, and notice we're right back at the calendar where we left off. So you notice a new icon is now appearing that says Add Event. So for our demonstration today, we're going to go ahead and add an event to the music calendar. So I simply select Add Event, and a form is going to pop up or appear on the page. And keep in mind also that we use Firefox, which is here, as the browser of choice for making changes to our websites. We do have problems occasionally with the Internet Explorer, so Firefox is the recommended and the website that we design our websites for use with Firefox. So the event title, let's say we have a spring, or let's say we have just a handbell concert. And perhaps under the event description, you can type in anything you want, maybe how long it lasts, who's in the concert. So we'll just put event. For now, I'm just as a demonstration of EV. So you can put anything you want in this box here. And we have to choose what calendar do we want this to appear on. So this is an important step here. We obviously want this to appear on the music calendar because it's an event that goes with the music. Categories are, Grace Lutheran Church only has one category, and what a category is, you can have one category with 100 calendars underneath it. Perhaps an example of another category would be Grace Lutheran School. Maybe they have school events, school calendars, or calendars associated with the school. And we have a category with calendars simply associated with the church. So you can have as many calendars as you want under each category. So for our event today, we're just going to say it starts, let's say August 21st. We'll say it starts August 27th. And maybe it starts at 7 o'clock p.m. And is this an all-day event? Or let's say it's a 2-hour concert. We'll say it's a 2.5 hours concert. So 2 hours and 30 minutes. Okay. Here's contact information. If somebody has questions about the event, who do they call? Who can they contact? So you're just going to simply type in your contact information. And is there an email address of the person who you want to have them contact? Yes or no? You don't. These are not required fields, but the more information you provide to people, the better resource your website will be. So let's put in that one. And maybe there is a URL, another website address that they can go to for more information. Let's go ahead and put our website address in there. And do we want to repeat this event? Maybe we want to repeat this event every single day. Maybe we want to repeat it weekly. Maybe it's repeated monthly. Or maybe it's repeated yearly. So this will eliminate your data entry if you select maybe you have to repeat it every Tuesday, and maybe it's only repeated for 4 weeks. Or maybe we want to repeat this event for the next 2 years or the next 2 months, every Tuesday for the next 2 months. So there's a little, this area here is very powerful, and it'll automatically put the data in the calendar for you and repeat the events. Right now we're just not going to repeat the event, and that's it. And with this user's privileges, right now the event's already approved. We can actually set this up so you can assign users to manage and maintain their own calendars, but the website administrator has to approve each event. So however you want to set your calendar up, we can entertain that either way. So we're just going to go ahead and add this event. And the event is there. The repeat until date is not valid. Oh, we selected a. Oh, here we go. We selected our repeat. So you'll notice we did get an error. So if you do get an error, you're going to have to go back and correct it. In our case, we had this one here selected, repeat until this date, which is not supposed to. Which was not supposed to be. We weren't supposed to select this. So let's try it again. Add event. And now our event has been added. So here is our handbell concert on Friday. It appeared on the calendar. It's only showing one time on the calendar. If we did repeat it, we could see it on the next month's calendar, as these are repeating events here. There are service times. So we have these repeating for 3 or 4 years. So it's the same thing. Okay. And also with our calendar, we can actually, you can have the user just select music calendars. I just want to see the events for music calendars, and then everything else drops off but the events for music. And of course we have different views that the users can have. Okay, so let's say we have more events. We add as many events as we want. When we're done, it's important, this next step is really important, because we want to log out. We don't want to stay logged in. So we're going to go back to the login screen where we were, and we have a log out button right here. And once we're logged out, we'll go back to the home page, and our calendar is back online. And for some reason, if you made a mistake, you can go back in and you can edit this calendar and edit the event that you had, and make any corrections that you need to correct. This concludes our training, and please email us if you have any questions. Thank you.